Oh, good evening, good evening. It's very nice to be here in the famous Knapford Engine Drivers Common Room.
Today is the Coronation Ceremony. And the only thing that I'm telling you is the day.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please put your hands together for
The Princess of Short-Term Memory Loss, Princess Dory!
Oh, good evening, good evening. It's very nice to be here in the famous Knapford Engine Drivers Common Room. I say, what flies over Sodor and wobbles?
And you know, everybody, the sun has set. It's time for the fireworks!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
It's time for the fireworks, because Princess Dory will soon come out as the Princess of Teletubbyland. I can't do this anymore. I'm not gonna be the princess. I can't take it anymore. I'm going home right now.
You don't like me?
No,
No, of course I like you. It's because I like you I don't want to be with you. It's a complicated emotion. Oh, don't cry. I like